What is up, everybody? Devin here again, and today I have my mother for the season finale of this episode. And today we are going to be making monkey bread. But before I tell you a little bit more about this episode, here are your ingredients.
All right, first ingredient, 2 large cans of biscuits, 12-ounce cans, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. For the glaze, 3/4 cup brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter.
Okay, so as you guys know, whenever we have guests on here, we like to do a challenge.
You didn't tell me that part.
Oh yeah, I never tell the guests, just to get them, like a nice little surprise. Okay, so as you guys know, for the past few episodes, I'm really, precise with my measurements. So today, the challenge is that we're not gonna be using any measurement tools. I think that's about it. I think we can get started.
I think we got this.
Woo! Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Combine the granulated sugar and cinnamon and mix until blended. Open biscuits and cut each individual piece into 4s. Okay. First preheat. Sugar, so I guess just eyeball.
So we can't use a measuring cup.
Yeah.
Can I use a cup?
Yeah, you can still use a cup as long as it doesn't have like the numbers. Because I mean, we have different sizes, cinnamon and sugar.
This should be about a cup.
Cheating.
Take it. How much sugar?
I don't know, like 1/2 cup, or maybe.
It'll be extra sweet.
Yeah, I was like, just cinnamon and sugar.
All right.
Yeah, that's like enough. Dang. Does that look?
Yes.
Okay.
Don't put it in hard.
And now we just mix it together. You wanna use your hands?
No, thank you.
Oh, okay.
So this is a no utensil challenge?
Oh, I was thinking about doing that, but I was like, no, this is just no measuring cups. I don't want to waste extra silverware. And now we open the biscuits and cut them up into 4s. Oh, also no plate.
No plate challenge?
Jeez.
How else are you supposed to do it?
You said it 2 cans. I was like, I don't know. Sounds like a lot.
So start cutting?
Yeah. We don't have insurance on here, so
So you saved me for the season finale.
yeah.
Series finale.
Woo! Finale.
Boy, it's getting toasty in here.
Yeah, when you were doing it, cooking here, and I'm like, oh, it's getting a little hot. Want to know the other challenge? Other challenges?
Yeah.
Blind, deaf, and mute. And then my friend was a blindfolded challenge, and with Shamaya, it's the one-handed. Any more cinnamon? Because I can put this back.
Is that it?
Remember, you guys,
about the
clean
brown
as you
sugar?
go. Oh, that's in other directions. You do it one at a time.
Oh,
and
for the
then-
topping.
Yeah. If you gotta
Clean
like
as
boil
you
it.
go.
And,
Look at you learning something.
That's what I said on one video. I was like, remember, clean as you go.
He said, I'm gonna be in one of these videos. All right.
Alright, we did everything. Okay. Toss the biscuit dough into the cinnamon sugar mix until well coated. No more than 4 at a time. Place coated pieces into your bundt pan. When it said 4, I was like, why only 4?
This gonna be a bowl of diabetes.
I was like, dang, it's a lot of sugar. Granulated, light brown. Oh, dang. Oh yeah, it does get toasty up in this corner.
How do you know?
Because I was doing something one day and I was lifting up the bowl and I was like, oh, that's hot. I was like, dang, how does it...
All they can see is your back.
Dang, there's a lot to go. I feel like it's not enough, but then...
The texture of this makes me want to scream.
Yeah.
It's like Kevin sand between your toes.
This should be yummy.
As long as you got your insulin.
Didn't bring it.
Oh, someone didn't mix that well.
I saw, I didn't want to say anything.
That piece will be extra cinnamony. Glad I cut my fingernails too. Knew you had me set up for something. It was gonna be something.
Oh yeah, and then a pigeon was walking up to me.
Did you have food?
No. And then there was some in the train station. I was like, what is going on?
He said, what you doing in my city?
And then a squirrel almost got me. I was like, my fear of squirrels is coming back. I was like, I'm ready to go now.
You thought you was getting away from me.
Oh yeah, this could have been fun. But after the Lincoln Memorial, I was like, we would have to go back to the hotel, somewhere to eat or something, because that's a lot of walking. Ooh, looking good. All right. Next instruction. Make the caramel by first melting the butter for approximately 45 seconds. Add the brown sugar and stir to whisk until combined. Pour the caramel evenly over the bread. Place the bread in the oven and bake for 30 to 40 minutes or until golden brown.
Or you can just buy a can of caramel and pour it in.
Too easy over here. Now that, oh, we can't look at you gotta melt the butter first. I already know what it is, 3 tablespoons. So, you know, you don't really need a measurement. I mean, it's right there. Just melt that, and then we're gonna put brown sugar in, whisk, and then pour it over.
This is 4, so...
A little extra.
Yeah.
I was like, a little extra butter.
Got a container? You're ill-prepared.
This? Is that too big? Or this?
Like, you don't put it in the microwave.
Oh yeah, but don't it gotta like be boiled and then, you know.
How much brown sugar? I mean, yeah.
Oh, I can't look. No. Oh, I mean, we can look. We just can't use a brown sugar. 3/4. This is the first time on here where we're actually using the stovetop. Oh, dang, this must be bad. A whisk. 3/4.
Want me to get the cup?
I was thinking that.
How much you gonna pour in?
I'm just gonna stop where you stopped.
Keep going.
I'm gonna say, I don't think that's where you stopped at.
You got this on Hades? What am I supposed to be doing?
Put that in there and then let me look over it.
Too late.
Whisk until combined and then pour it over the. What? Yeah. I don't know what they said something about it, but it looks too clumpy then. I was like, mommy got it. I was like, she probably knows what to do.
I'm gonna make caramel by hand. You ready or?
Yeah.
Pour?
Yeah.
I feel like it should be more.
Ooh, smells good. Now we put it in. I'm gonna put it in for like 30 minutes. just to be safe.
We're just gonna get everything decided to.
Start checking on the bread at the 25-minute mark. Remove from the oven and allow to cool for about 25 minutes, then serve and enjoy. All right. All right, you guys, we will be back in a couple minutes, and yeah, then we'll see how everything turns out, and we'll taste test it as usual, and then yeah, all that.
Many months later.
Okay, everyone, we are back after a few short minutes. Here is what it looks like. It looks really good. I think Mommy did a good job. I bet she did almost all of the work, to be honest. But yes, so now it is time to taste test it. Okay, here it is. Make sure it doesn't fall. Okay, now it's time to taste. Mm-hmm.
Tastes like the pretzels at the mall.
I was thinking the Auntie Anne's.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that is it for this video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. If you want to see more of me, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at InfinityDevin. That is it for this video in this season. I won't see you guys next week, but maybe I'll see you guys again next time. Who knows? Season 2. Ooh. Okay. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye. Hey, everyone. Future Devin here. Or would it be past, since this is pre-recorded, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed Flower Hour series, season 1. I have enjoyed it very much. Enjoyed baking everything, making messes, talking about different stuff with you guys. Well, talk about myself basically. But the guests have been really fun. The challenges that we've been doing. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed all the episodes and whatnot. This is the first episode you're seeing. This is kind of a little awkward. Go back to episode 1 and watch through it, like a Netflix series. But yeah, even if the episodes get like 2 views each, I don't care. I've had fun either way. This has all been fun. I have now learned how to make stuff from scratch, and guess what? You guys have too. 8 things. Wow, how am I already forgetting? Truffles, chocolate chip cookies, Basque cheesecake, cheesecake brownies, blueberry pound cake, strawberry lemon muffins, cinnamon rolls, and monkey bread. Now you guys know all how to do that. My favorite thing that I have made that tasted good, I was gonna say look and tasted good, but looks don't really matter, even though almost every episode I'd be like, this looks ugly. But have tasted the best, I would have to say cheesecake brownies. I was eating them things every day. I had it in my ice cream. It was just so good. My least favorite is between the Basque cheesecake and the blueberry pound cake. Because the Basque cheesecake, it was just so much, I mean, obviously, duh, but it was just so much cheesecake, I couldn't finish it. Even in that video, I couldn't finish it. Because I was like, this is just so much just cheesecake and nothing else. Because I'm used to having it with something else. And I did try putting it in my ice cream, but my stomach ended up hurting. But I was like, you know what? And the blueberry pound cake, I think I'm just so set on that it doesn't look perfect, that it's just horrible altogether. It did taste good, but it was just, I don't know. It tastes very caramelized, so it was just kind of like, yeah. I can't choose between those two. Those two were like, I wouldn't say rough. The cheesecake one, it turned out well, but I couldn't finish it. I couldn't. Also, this wasn't planned until like the cinnamon roll episode. But have you guys noticed every 2 episodes, they're kind of like the same. Episode 1 and 2 are chocolate related. Truffles, chocolate chip cookies. 3 and 4 are cheesecake. Basque cheesecake brownies. 5 and 6 are fruit, blueberry pound cake, strawberry lemon muffins, and 7 and 8 are cinnamon related. Cinnamon rolls and monkey bread. That was not planned at all until like cinnamon roll, because I was like, wait a minute, why did I just do cinnamon then? Because originally episode 8 was going to be petit fours, the little tea cakes, and I was like, no, I'm gonna change it to monkey bread instead. But yeah, now it's time for the final question. Will there be a season 2? I don't know. Will there? I mean, this has been a lot. If I do a season 2, it won't be until next year, literally, probably next summer. Will there be? I would have to think about it. I don't know. But there might be like a holiday special. Maybe. There might be a Christmas special. I'll think about doing that. Other than that, I don't know. Maybe. But anyway, enough of the jokes and giggles. I hope you guys enjoyed this series of the Flower Hour. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment, all that stuff. Blah, blah, blah. And I will see you guys next time. Maybe. I don't know when. Maybe in December. Maybe next summer. I'll see you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.